Namaste guys. In this video, we are going to learn how to make this part. Okay, so I saw this problem on Reddit, so I thought I can provide a better way or solution to how to make this. So let's start. So I will first select the top plane, click on sketch and draw a simple circle as my requirement. So you can choose the diameter as per your requirement. It is not necessary that you choose the same diameter as I make. Okay, 1000 mm is quite big, 100 mm is fine. Zoom in. Go to the features, click on extrude, select the thickness as per your requirement. Okay, make sure that you select the midplane in my case and extrude it. Click OK. Now let's see how to make the complex one part. So again select the top plane, click on sketch, click on center point arc. Okay, and let's constrain it. Now give it some angle as per your requirement. In my case, 30 degrees is fine. Let's make it 15 degree. Okay, it's already at center. Select this, make it this one, and give some radius as per your requirement. I think it is fine for me. Okay, after that go to the features, click on extrude. uh, as you can see the thickness is there, that is basically I want. Click on reverse direction, make sure that you select the mid plane in my case, and increase the direction as per your requirement. In my case 50 mm is fine. Click OK. Select the right plane, click on sketch, click on extrude cut. Make sure that you click on offset from plane so that it doesn't cut this cylinder. Increase its distance. As you can see, it's working. Now click on thin feature, increase its thickness and click on up to surface. Okay, just in case if somebody some this direction of this offset is not working for you correctly. For example, if this sketch is going in this direction in your case and your part is here, what you have to do is click on this one. Okay, just in case if anybody faces that issue. Now click OK. You see, we got this thing. Now how can I make a pipe here? Simple again. Select the right plane, click on sketch, draw a simple circle here. Sorry, not this one. Extrude. Click on offset again. Increase its distance. Now click on up to surface. Select this face. Similarly, in direction 2, select up to surface. Click OK. So you can see in that way we created this part. It's quite good. It look quite not that curvy, so let's make it more curvy. So what I can do, click on sketch, uh, instead of 30 let's make it 45. Exit the sketch mode and this extrude cut, right click and features. Let's increase its radius to 50. Exit the sketch mode. Now it's look bit much better. So this is how we can make this. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any kind of doubts and queries, feel free to ask. Thanks for watching and have a great day.